This is the living room end table set of two with USB ports and outlets. This is how to install the end table. Make sure that all parts is included in the package before the assembly. An instruction manual is included in the package. And assembly completed. Here are the product features of this living room end table set with USB ports and outlets. This set of two end tables are made of robust metal and particleboard materials, which provides excellent stability and durability to support the nightstand itself and the stuff on it. This set of two nightstands has two plug outlets and two USB ports that are enough to charge your phone, lamp, and laptop. The 5-feet long power cord is convenient for you to use the small table in different corners. This side table is small but sturdy, durable, and offers you sufficient space without taking up too much floor space. The bottom of this end table is equipped with adjustable feet to help the table stay stable on uneven floors. This small nightstand with a simple design and vintage rustic brown finish, a beautiful and practical sofa side table would definitely catch every guest's eyes at a first glance. And this side table has an attractive vintage appearance and minimalist design which can meet your different needs. You can put it in many places such as sofa side table, bedside table, nightstand, end table for your bedroom, living room, and entryway. This is the living room end table set of two with USB ports and outlets.